Riwruok mar jothieth ma Machakos kata nurses obuogo mar biro bago ng'anye bwo jumbe 3 kapo ni sirkal mar kauntino ok owinjo ywak margi. Nurses go wacho ni piny owacho mar kaunti ma Machakos ok osechopo kare winjruok mane giketo mar dok e tich kaachiel kod medo moko kuomgi lemo. Ne ginyiso jofwamb weche ni maloyo nurses 1,000 pok omed lemo e bwo thuolo mar higni 7 mokalo. Kara kobedo ni winjruok mar medo gi lemo noketie kogno. Jagoro mar riwruogno bade ma Machakos Michael Saka owacho ni jotich manie osiptandego nigi tich matek mokalo bang' maromo 250 weyo tich ka gidhi manyo tije kuonde mamoko. Bende giwacho ni kauntino osechako chenro mamoko kaka mag bero level 2 hospital e alworano ka nurses to jwang'.
Our strike notice is in regard to issues we've had since last year. We appreciate the efforts that the governor did last year by promoting us. A number of us were promoted, while majority of nurses were promised promotions which will take place in January, but they were never effected. As we speak currently, we're having more than 1,000 nurses who have never been promoted for the last 7 years. We are asking her governor to expeditiously promote nurses who are due for promotion and arrears which were due for us, and as she has promised last year, to pay us accordingly. Right now as we speak, a total of 1,015 nurses are due for promotion. These promotions have been long overdue, now cumulative for more than 7 years.